Sanibonani. This is Gospel Talk with Buhle Sibanze.
I'm gonna stand against the Lord. I'm gonna push throughout the clouds. For brighter light is waiting for me.
Namhlanje ngihamba nekokonono enje emdaka alala. As always sisema ofisini ase
God's Kingdom Fellowship
ambassador.
Yes.
Sisema ofisini wakhona ngilashuthela khona currently. Sithi solo ye Gospel Talk lena sizahamba no MK. This man usazombona kaningi bafowethu. Nisazombona kaningi lapho nalapho abangena. Awubabingelele MK sesingena endabeni.
Yinibingelele lapha emakhaya uMK lona abangaziyo nginamagama amaningi bangazi ngosiqhawu. Ukukhala nje emdaka, njayamino, ngwanamane, uyakuyendelela. Bafethu singene ngefohlo by power by craft. Legal name uItumeleng Elias Sibongo Pitso.
Danko.
But kodwa itrateni bangazi kakhulu ngomkhukhwana abanye bathi MK nje emdaka.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga ukuthi nami ngiphathi. Buhle ngiyabonga ukuthi ungohost mfethu.
Sure.
Musathiwano. Uyazi ukuthi manje ikokonono. Okahle. Kusazoba lithi, kusazoba mnandi mngani wami. Yeah.
Athi kusazoba mnandi nesengilimele. But anyways ke all is well. Mfethu sidineni izolo man, sidineni izolo. Kuhambe njani izolo? Niphume na yaphi?
Izolo bekunzima izolo manje izolo bekubhizi. Ngihambe kamnandi ngihambe kahle kodwa ngifike ngikhathele.
Sure.
Ngifike ngilambile. If awe asidlanga but kodwa bekugwinywa
MK nokudla.
Akudongo kodwa bekugwinywa ngoku. Yeah. Man ayi ngihambe kamnandi mngani. Ngingazi wena osele kanjani ngoba bengwaphi.
Yeah, bengihostile izolo. Ngiselekre Eman abuthi. Yes.
Bekuningi manje. Sidlala into eningi. Bekuningi mngani wami. Bekuningi. Bathi
Yazibona banahlumo osibrehleka nje bekwenzakalani. Okay. No man, mfethu. There's nothing much man as we are doing the first show yethu.
Yes.
I'm hoping for more esazowenzeka and I'm hoping ukuthi kuningi ama show lengisazokusebenza kiwo. I might be at the background next time we have a host some of the shows asazoba khona la ku Gospel Talk with Buhle Sibanze.
I receive.
Yes, maningi asazowenza. This is just an introduction ukuthi sazosebenza ngayo. Bra, I'm a bit worried ne. Kuningi lengikubonako la I can share the story phende futhi ngibuye back endabeni ukuthi kunomuntu oyi1 kule story lelo angihlupha in every stories that the story senzakalako.
Okay.
Kuma gospel group bra. What's happening man? What's happening? Recently bekuzwakala ukuthi i-Joy Celebration akuhlanganwa kahle as we'll be sharing some of the gospel events and gospel stories.
Yeah.
So uma gospel group i-Joy Celebration nayo seyisafeyisa khona manje ezinye izinto zakhona ezenzakalayo because at first kube nendaba yokuthi i-Joy Celebration labe bakhona manje laba take the lead. Akusiba abantu bebakhona baba kick out back then.
Yeah.
Baba tell isicathulo people who started i-Joy Celebration.
Now it's a new people now.
New people and they are busy pushing like they are the ones. So iyangixaka mina ukuthi if into yongathi ayinansindiso yenzeka endaweni yensindiso ubale kuyapi
akala uzoyakhona futhi you know ngithanda the way bengakhona saying kunalaba ekuqala lento understand ipain yalento. Now futhi sebakhahlele ngaphandle eviction phela leyo eviction ngoku sebakhahlele ngaphandle now kunalaba abasha ngelanguage yaseKCT we can say maybe I feel like banokiwe
in a way scam
ngikubuze singe story whereby le ndoda lebehamba ngekamera yabo so manje bekubanda kakhulu le ndoda ithathi ngizenzele ithendenyana manje kuyavana la ngaphandle ikamera ithi mngana awuncinise ngifake nje amancina ayithu iqale kanjani faka amancina ayithu ithi no man thi ngifake nale thunya le ngasemuva umnikazi akabona ubuye emuva uyaphuma Kasefaka ikhanda ayaphelela ikamera ngaphansi kwetende umnikazi akahlele ngaphandle manje athi
sekayibuza kunjani lapho ngaphakathi
I believe it is so sad into enzeke ku group le Joyous. As much as I know Joyous ubabuntu ulendelela Mkhize nabo uJabu Jabu Hlongwane yabo Mthunzi number. They've been so consistent ngendaba ye Joyous. But unfortunately, yes, abanye because of ama challenges abebe nawo. Sometimes nama companies, you know ukuthi njengoba mhlambe kunama group amasha angenile awazingenelanga kuphela. Abanye maybe baphume because of maybe labo bazabalas. Remember this is the same thing that happened in generation. Before generation become generation legacy. Remember kunama actors complain ukuthi le made encane ngapha maybe rightfully so. Unfortunately ubaba lo ukusikhohle ubani uphethe generation umfundi vundla and then kwaba nalento lokuthi hayi ofuna ohlala kahlale ofuna ukuhamba akahambe then umamkhona ifika sini known as uKarawo Moroka noTau beza yangisase ayesiyeke lento iwe. I believe ukuthi sometimes nama contract kuma company because of last time when I checked I don't know, I stand to be corrected. Joyous be I remember back then ngisahubuluza ngicoli quiet mangihamba isitemu I saw Sony bekusase Sony and PMG. When I get there I was so surprised ukuthi Joyous under the company there. But when you check ama-disco abangasemuva because kuna distributors, kuna publishers. Unfortunately angazi but ithombe zabe sigcwele pha. When you go to Universal, it was the same story but ngathi maybe under Universal. But manje under management abo Lindelani Mkhize and all the stuff. Because I believe the issue when asbanzi ukuthi it's either issue emali maybe masiqala se protester indaba yemali asijabulanga maybe because of sinama responsibilities amaningi unyaka uyahamba imali kumele letha ikhuphuke ezikhuphuka ukudla kuyakhuphuka nomholo kumele ukhuphuke but petrol however ngizothi petrol yakhuphuka namhlanje ne diesel exazo kurafa uthamba kurafa ko letho umyoyibukela after 1 year uyothusa abantu uthi hey namhlanje baba it's been inconsistent lento inyembezele yafake lento but manje issue ye kubhlungu when you see ama groups aclaim or azama ukusebenzela uNkulunkulu thola ukuthi manje kunengxoshongxosho nawo siphila sokungathi amakhanda wethu athathe kahle while we are saying we are serving the same God, we are serving the same kingdom. Unfortunately ama responsibilities now ayangena sizwane kuba lo donsela. So it is so sad but I pray nokuthi ngathi ngoba nokuvumelana regardless ukuthi laba ngene nokuqeda yonke lento but esinye story sengihluphe kakhulu ngizoza kulo the main character lengihlupha kakhulu kwala Joyous uJoyous ngathi nenkinga eziningi uJoyous iphinde isuke iye ku spirit of praise indaba yakhona so but ke into engistressile I saw clip eka Vicky Vilakazi
so there was a point in your life where you thought
yes,
this is also mine.
Yes, because even the first costumes were made by me. I used my hands, machine. I bengathunga mina ama costumes Joyous.
Really?
Yeah, because we are still putting this thing together.
Namhlanje akekho, she's nowhere in the picture. Kuma
lo mama kutala khona lo Vicky Vilakazi.
Bra.
I believe ukuthi sibuyela kwindaba yama contract mhlawumbe ngokuhamba. Maybe contract since injalo uyaspana but now since ngitholi 15 cent namhlanje but ukudla kuyakhuphuka ama responsibility abamaningi and unfortunately these under my companies so called the giant these companies are making a lot of money. I'm not talking about Universal now. I'm talking about the companies.
The companies.
And then now it is so sad because of my pay. I'm not sure ukuthi Joyous bad so Joyous 20 last time when I checked Joyous angithi angazi mina ngiyazula emhlabeni angasikazi ukuhlala ngilalele igroup eyiwalo kuyicula ngicela Joyous 20 or Joyous bad Joyous 20 something man Joyous 20 Joyous 20 last scene it was ngalokuthiwa Joyous i-account yami ye-WhatsApp bekuyi 20 years back online 20 years back but man it is so sad. But I don't know. Manje, the problem is, or the challenge it will be, if kuno muntu osebenzele owakhe empire or osize empire equal. Now they don't get what they deserve. I think ukuthi into babophile iyo indaba zama contract saying maybe in the beginning bakayenza because of the
Yeah.
passion thina abantwana kaNkulunkulu sitalente ukuthi masisebenza sithi
Yes,
sebenzele
and
uNkulunkulu
nami ngenze kaningi
Hey,
leyo
check how it works
ngiyeza kuyo
ngishayile nami
nawe yesishaye sonke bra
ikushangaza ukuthi ngizonda uNkulunkulu
vele you end up hating God dalo uNkulunkulu esimkhonza akekho
the church as a
ingakho
whole
uthola ukuthi most of the musician bama gospel
Yeah.
bese bayaphuza benzani balinyazwe la on the field la bekumele khona bathole healing or i-success yabo
Mfowethu,
khona
mfo
thola i-success yabo ibulawa khona this is the guy ke Khotso Magaleng Monghadi Messi
Mungadi as I'm saying ngingakwazi ukucula bengizocula for no reason ba ngiyabona le wena bengizocula ngaye ngithi afugamele athi thank you uNkulunkulu kangibhanga le just nje ngiright ngejwetle
okay
Khotso usasekhona I
usasekhona
heard
but
ingoma yakhe somewhere emuthweni FM
nazi
I love that guy
nazi
I love
story
that
sakhe ingceku
umcotsha the whole anointed
the whole anointed
mutaphereti ba modimo the power uNkulunkulu mshayine anointed le nota leyane
So,
ngiyithanda le
nazi
nota
story
leyo.
sakhe uphumile ku Joy Celebration
Yes
nayo imsahile
ubani marenza ama decisions ku celebration because ngathi lindela ukulindela umkhize angisho ukuthi uwe but that time when I check
asimiyancane
bekuye CEO yana phaya
asiyancane lapho
Yeah.
nasuka lapho waya ku Spirit of Praise
Christ of praise
banabo bani lo munye
oh,
uXhosa khona into leyo yabo bengiyibhekile ku YouTube bakhuluma
okay
bayobhadala 35 rand
bayenzani oh 35 rand enzeni yibo ngizwanga kahle inqondo mina begijima kakhulu
sizoyicheka
iyeza 35 rand
bababhadele yona ku Spirit of Praise imali abayitholile
yazi thi ngitshele angisebenzi nami angibhadale ma 35 rand yazi ngingamalini ngelanga ngomusa kaNkulunkulu buhle kungazodlala ngabantu la buhle uthi 35 rand
allegedly
Our-
nale video
buhle man
ngibukile
maybe 35,000
no,
akuna ku
no.
zero abayicorrect le
I'm telling you 35 bakhayo 35
benzeni ngayo ngomkhala understand ngomkhala understand 35 rand it divided or iku combination
bagibele bayekhaya ngayo bebeze ofela
mara yini if usathana wenza kahle sathane please stop it
so
hayi manini manje
iphinde ngibuyisele
buthi ngathi sese exaggerate manje yazi
I'm
ngise
telling you.
exaggerate
I'm just sizoyibheka worry we'll check it out
ama 333
yes 35 ne5 rand phezulu so
uyazi mawukoloti i-Vodacom ngale 35 rand mawuqala ke-airtime general kwenza which means bane 20 rand asithi ke bangena bathi ake si request isebenzisa idatha
ngeke
anyeke
so
hayi
ibuye
no
phinde
man
futhi
this is not good
ingishaya ukuthi do you remember ukuthi ngisuka ku music
baba ayibaba usuke eSwatini bengilate esontweni hey mangifika bokulana le le
Monghadi Messi
Mungadi bese ubani lo futhi bafaka iboots angazi bekule Timberland le
Eh.
ngevest ujuluka omanzi kanti ubeke ehembe lakho estudio le elothiwe King Mswati hey leza tacula ngithi becela ukuthi ngisesonto le wrong hayi man yilo le tendi leli ngabheka ngithi thole kaGumza nepepele kaGumza la
yeah suka kude bra
baba
Suka kude no music.
ngoba leyo bengithanda mare bengayithandisise kakhulu
Until
athi ngize ngifavor sengifana nefan eKaizer
Kala
Chiefs
sicula na
baba masingayicela ngathi yakhula esontweni uzozumfundisa shumayele
Sure.
ngathi bohle Monghadi Messi bohle please bohle sondela Monghadi Messi ngifuna bazona siphile ngale iqiniso Monghadi Messi kusukela manje my son this is your song yawazi kusukela manje this is our song ana buhle nayo Monghadi Messi nabo wemarine bewinyora yazo ayibe uyinyora le ngoma le
manje bengithi
akazi kanti lakho ethanda ye harmony nyane babo uthanda harmonize ingoma
namhlanje kusese
man because I used to that guy I love that guy because of mona nengoma zakhe that guy usevile album lokuqala I don't know ukuthi album lokuqala but the album le Monghadi Messi like yo that guy ushayile baba but unfortunately nje man kunento wrong man kunento wrong kulama groups
yena to be honest ubhadalekile but kudoja ke akusi akuyona le 35 yilo ngathi ubani uPapa noRubana, I don't remember kahle, ngizomcheck.
Ngizomcheck
Ngizodlala iclip lakhona,
Okay, no stress.
lapho khona a complain ngazo le treatment yana.
Lalela abantu laba ne asenze so. Lo
Kukhona-
baba lo ukujoya sekelo khoza.
Sure.
Uku spirit of praise lo.
Yes.
Or baye bamube ngepace eyi1
Baku
baya
Spirit
la.
of Praise Boy 2.
Boy 2.
Yes. Kukhona ekhala ngayo kuthiwa uAubrey.
Aubrey konje umuphi ngathi ngiyamazi.
Angazi ngathi udlalele emva. Allegedly kukhona ekhala ngayo kuthiwa uAubrey. Yena yaziwenza naka register le ngoma.
Kyalikuba bana besu. South Africa, I'm begging you. Kyalikuba bana besu. Pina yaka ndo hamba yona. He, yatsa mhlophe tse di ndiamakazi. Ale ke ntwetse. Jwala se ke bina ndo hamba ha o lo di royalties. Ha o lo chekwa ka nkana. Ke Aubrey Peacock, motho a bina mo. Ke ena motho a nkang di royalties. Ke information e ke tholang hape ntšha shibuli. All the good spirit music man ikare batho ha ba bina ba li 10 ha ba hlahile o hlaya o hlafela motho one artist e1 mo e binang e tsang dintho tse kaofela o tla bohloko bo betsalang bana beso o tla bohloko bo betsalang
Uregister iziculo uye. Le ngoma.
Dimani uzivalela uyasamurai one.
Bra.
Uthatha ama copy. Maye uthathe ama ID copy wabo or
No.
ulumise umuntu code.
Ufika waveza athi uyena ucula lapho kubhalwe yena nabantu bawubheka ama royalties kuhola yena bese
Rotation. Nkosi yami. Bona bahleli babenzani bona by then.
Angithi bona baqhuba phela you don't know bra ujabulele ukungena nje.
Which means banga register ingoma zabo ngamanye amagama.
Angithi-
Yazi isamro injani. Once uyo register ingoma ne ungayi register ingoma but mawufika lapha yana obviously bazofuna ukwazi who is the composer ubani oparticipate kwingoma into zaziyo who is the publishing company and all that stuff. Aubrey bakabayithi nyora yes Aubrey ngathi bakazimakela ukubona uforge isignature plus ngithanda uforge ama signature
Sure.
wabo men mangasithi ngisasemncele ngestory indlela yenyeko
Confess.
unconfess in reality uNkulunkulu yazi uye uNkulunkulu ngicreate kanjani ungazongiblame to God no ngithi cha and ayikho into ozoyimase mabefile now which means Aubrey the composer Aubrey producer Aubrey
So
pianist Aubrey
angazi ngale kulaba bayibekele.
vocalist
But when it
Aubrey
comes to lead worshiper, beku Aubrey.
ubafake ekugcineni
And then-
kwathiwa ama-backup vocalist
Sure.
bathi ku 100%.
Eh.
Wathi 70% Aubrey wathi 25 wathi khotho nale kusihloko kunzima
Kulinyazwe. I think noSchaba ukawakhala nayo le.
oshaba ukhalile ngalo baba lo beka ini it was a Bula music Bula record unzimando rendimando Tshepo nzimando
Ukwacomplaina ngawo. I think bekube yini
ngolundi remember ngefuneral kalundi cishe wakhuluma ezinye izinto bamvala ngemicrophone
Yo.
athi yena liyeza nthothena ratsuba
Bula Michael.
The issue of Amaral, if we can take it back,
Yeah.
if we can even take it back,
Sure.
Ubabo into the late Ubabo Umahlathini.
Sure.
It was the same thing.
I think bashayo
It was
kakhulu
even though they can say imali by then,
Yes.
izinto bezingakabiture kangaka abantu by then if 25% bokwazi ukubuyela exchange, but still
not exactly.
they were ripping little.
Now
They
bheka
were
manje
ripping little.
umusic wa before ubhatala kahle kudlula wamanje
Yeah, man.
because bekuthenga icassette original.
Yes.
Uyathola?
Yes.
Stadium
Yes.
baya ba
Yes.
packed ngathi kudlala iKaizer Chiefs.
Exactly.
Uyathola? Bekugcwala nswi. So
Hayi manje
bekungena kudamba
Mm.
kwamalona nema-CDs afikile but aqala yiwo labulele lenze
nama-final
bekuthenga original
badlile
bra.
abantu.
Original, so those people they were making
Yeah.
serious man.
Naso umuntu akakwazi ukuthenga i-Skyline
Eh,
athenga
eh.
i-Cressida.
Bekubazenzela sanjela imoto zabo namhlanje hayi si right.
Man, no man, kunento engekho right. Man, nansi ngiyokutshela ngithi,
Eh.
you know the danger of it is because of now kubuhlungu because of nalabantu laba neSamro.
Sure.
Samro can go with the further investigations kubuyisele studio iyobuza ukuthi urekhode pasambe nawe
Umsebenzi wabo
ini.
uzoba mningi.
It's only maso uqala say mawe-client abo so complain ukuthi bakunokile.
Sure.
They will take ingoma yalo muntu uclaim ukuthi ukunokile bathatha
Sure.
ingoma and check ukuthi ubani we-register kuqala.
Okay.
Unfortunately uma umuntu register before wena case ungayiluza. However, that's the sad part of it.
Kuthiwani?
If khona manje uregister ngithatha ingoma ngiyahamba ngiregister before
Sure.
wena. And then now bese uyaclaim but mhlambe awuregister or uregister late.
Yeah.
Because it's hayi mina uregister before wena. I'm a copyright yale ngoma lezo. Ngiregister before wena. Because it's hayi ngayiwina le case.
Awu.
Because of ngiregister before wena. When I register late.
Sure.
Then if there is 100% yale nto ekhuluma ukuthi vocally angikho angazi music producer, I don't know but izothathane but ngisazodla still because of ngaclaim ukuthi ngicompose ingoma because ukcompose ingoma akusucompose ingoma piano wine ukhuluma. I'm a part of the composer.
Yes,
right?
I'm part. Nalokuthi unikeza ama-ideas ukuthi ungayiphakamisa so.
So it's very important ukuthi abantu wena bohle. It's very important my brother ukuthi whatever uyenzayo you must at least you must register ingoma. But however, I remember ngomunye unyaka ngiqala ukuya eSAMRO, I think it was 2001 if not mistaken. One of my producers, but producer the first time uTamlu.
Yeah.
We went there. uTamlu bekakhala athi uBongo, the late Bongo.
Yeah.
Kunama some few jokes wakhe la bewadlala eTV.
Yeah, Bongo Family Bonds.
He was the one who wrote ama comedy lawa that commercial.
Yeah, angazi ukuthi
so now bakafuna uclaim SAMRO they told him hore since wena unga registeranga nathi uregister asikwazi ukukulwela because yena is registered. So wena if uregister nathi we can punch you on the system then or appeal the case. And possibilities are high ukuthi eSAMRO remember ukuthi eSAMRO noma unga register ngoma ingalahleka because of akusiyo wonke izinto esystem esihlala systemini into engingayizwa mina ngeSAMRO ukuthi kunamanye ama-file wengoma ayalahleka.
Just kufana ukulahla kwedocket
baba uyothola
e-police station.
Yes, bakutshela ukuthi yalahleka. So you can tell ukuthi I'm not saying ukuthi iSAMRO azenza lezinto. I'm saying yi-risky nayo iSAMRO.
Sure.
The only thing I can advise people to do is now ngithi sinama-phone right now nge-4th industrial revolution. We are saying ma-registering to is better ukuthi wigcine efonini kunama-server and all the stuff kunama-email kunama-YouTube channel. Ngeke ngikubhayide ngento we produce before. That's the only thing. Estudio maloku amajita lama-timer lawo arekhona labo mama nalabo sisi. Make sure ukuthi uthatha i-video uyayiposta just in case sasa it's all about into important yini ubungqina.
Yeah, bufakazi. Mina nginokwesaba ukuposta ingoma ngingakayiregister. Kanti lokuthi soyipostile that's a registration.
That's a registration by itself because of ecourt kufunekani ubungqina.
Sure.
Ecourt lose the case because of awunabungqina but if you have unento unobungqina that's the only thing. I remember benye kunto Big Fish College belethe i-workshop la Orange Farm eMasibamba. We went there and then I started to ask the facilitator the lobaga busy a facilitator about the filming and then the question it was sepali script zama it can be a documentary, it can be in a short film, feature film and all the stuff. But unfortunately, uthola into akho uthola ukuthi bakubhayithile babiza ukubhayitha abantu layo uthola ukuthi bakubhayithile or bathatha into akho injalo nje bayikopele. So angikwazi ucomplain angazi ngiregister kophi. And the guy he spoke the same thing saying guys ngobhala script une email. Take a script before you register the SAMRO or whatever irresponsible for copyright yakho.
Sure.
I can't go my losegile mawuyiluzile laphayani into email account angithi akwazi ukuregister isikhathi ukuthi usendele nini then we can write a little message under ukuthi yimi ubuhle ngisenda lento le ngiyisave just in case ngiyayiluza kuma system enginawo ama devices enginawo so ngikwazi ukuyithola la.
Sure. Hayi bafowethu.
Imagine right now the guy ukhuluma ngayo.
Sure.
Imagine someone uyele uAubrey. uAubrey njengoba benza into benza. Bese the guy uyavela. Athi no. Lento iyami na i-video thi ngikuthathe ngethoy i-video yami during ngesikhathi sirecorda sisi compose and produce and all the stuff. Ilapho siyabona it's there.
Sure.
He can win the case galula kanjani. Because kukhuluma isinoko right?
Yeah.
isamro mofika lapha uthole out yasekasi lambile and ekhulunya ama case aso
Sure.
and le ngoma iyashisa
Eh.
and already lost akathole royalty yakhe but yona akathole royalty because of our stanga now and you complain bangakuphuza why not bangakuphuza
enye into lesayitricky ke manje lengike ngayichecka iloko ukuthi record ingoma
yeah
ngiyayifaka ngenza music video wayo ithola 1000 likes
yeah
ngiyayithola after that kuvela kwesifanyana kwase Alexandra or kwase Orange Farm
yeah
kuvesane enze i-reaction to that song angithi abantu banokumayima
oh yeah phezulu
bese uthola 1 million adla imali ngento yakho ene manje bayenza kakhulu
kuyadliwa la
bra
kuyadliwa
umnikazi walengoma uyazi ukuthi le ngoma ihamba kangaka and they eat more than you
exactly
how is that fair
it is not fair at all kune hence ngisi angazi ukuthi ungaprotecta kanjani ezinto akwazi ukuziprotecta ukuthi accept nje ukuthi maybe bayakupromote ungasikhuthaza kanti but unfortunately kunomuntu wenza imali eserious
TikTok yakubhadala lento yakho mangabe ishaya ama-views la phezulu it won't bra it won't ulona ngakhipha ingoma ngomso noma ngawubani ku-gospel industry Bishop Benjamin Dube ayikhiphe immediately overa umntana engathi uyayicula acule ayimime la ku-TikTok uBenjamin Dube uthole 17k likes kufike lokho umntana ukuthi 100k ibuye i-TikTok ibhadale
baba uBenjamin Dube uhleli lapha
uhleli ngale
ngemishiko yakhe lapha yani ubhizi ngiyakuthanda Mayencele sing the song together Mayencele come on kunomuntu ocruisayo lapha yani kunomuntu someone is cruising and cruising so nice
manje ikhathi yakhe ngena
angithi obvious ubani pero asithi ubaba uyakundi ngoba we will be terrified ngoba lento ukuthi umbuyiselele inwele zakho engakhuluma kanjani abe ngishaya ikhathi last thing ecishe ngathi ngintwana mayiqedwe kunkulethe buyisela inwele zakho ngabona okwathingana ngiuhate ngani ngithi hayi man so unfortunately buhle kunezinye izinto in terms of technology ne
sure
asikwazi ukuziprevent asikwazi ukuzistop ngathi ungavela ulanda umuntu kwakhe akuthole egate aqeda ukureacta kwivideo yakho yama-million omtshele ukuthi at least ashare umntwana akungihlephulele
hlephula lelo
no you can't take ikhaya lonke hayi ngeke
I first noticed ukuthi i-mistake bengingakayazi le ngoma kaKabza de Small
yeah
ziyawa into ngaze Jericho mama something like that
so ashaya piano okay
kunabafana labareactor kuyo ngingakayizwa mina iphumile ethi kaKabza and I was like and bengibona nje banama 14,000 likes bayiposte ngayizolo le ngoma bareactor ki uyinkosi na
and people went
nebenkathi uye lo yathola to me ngaze ngathi if these guys they don't blow up these boys they don't blow up hayi le ngoma inqwemo ngithi le ngoma inqwemo nathi after days ngibona uyangistana naye
you know the life right now ngento ama-reactions ayangidini nendaba yemayimine kunomunye umuntu angahleka amimike lento eyenzakala ahleka uthi it's an original video after 2 years kanti uthola ukuthi lo muntu akusuye lo hleka lapha
umnikazi wayo uthengisa amatamatisi ekhaya
unfortunately lo muntu loyo usemakhaya
mfethu kwenziwa imali ngabantu bra
ethi umbona uParaguay angazi ithi I thought ukuthi kunenye out ya react ngithi yiyo ngoba buhle I think after 3 years kanti ngibona out isihlelele station mama explain ukuthi umuntu la ngazi bekashelwa igain now
ngamadoda
ukuthi amadoda
ukhuluma isona lapha
baba this thing yabona i-technology mfethu
technology
abanye yabalambisa abanye
iyabavusa somehow but ke kunobugebengu man phakathi mina I'm not happy ngayo. I don't think it's fair enough. I don't think it hasn't happened to me because ngizangakhiphi that much of ingoma lengathi abantu bafuna ukuyi-reactela. There are songs online but ke ngiba worried ukuthi na ingatholwa abantu abangathi bathanda that kind of ngoba mina ngishaya 80 house ngabe ngangena gospel. Ethola na ingatholwa abantu abanjalo mina ngisakathola nama-views ngicatha ama-views lapha wale ngoma lezo nama-likes ala kuboma 30 40 50 ayithola bese ithola umuntu lo khona ukureacta kahle to the song Sengibhatalela i-rent.
Done. Kahle legally so because of uyoyiphusha kunabantu abanganendaba nayo. You know ama-fan futhi ignorant or ama-followers womuntu.
Sure.
You know ukuthi omunye umuntu mangavela ngengoma yakho a-react phezu kwayo. Bese lo muntu aclaim ukuthi ingoma. Did you know ukuthi kunabantu banga-attack abathi utshontsha ingoma lo muntu. Lo bebona ukuthi akusuhuye because baya akazi ama-followers ngathi bawaloyile ngathi babathakathile ama-followers.
Hayi bona
Believe. So but now mina namhlanje ekseni ithe mangicheck kunendaba beloku igijima nala kuma radio station right. Ngilalele bakhuluma ngendaba yokuthi now ungayenza ingoma nge AI. So bakhuluma ukuthi ingaku-affecta kanjani and all the stuff.
Sure.
AI nayo ize ngokunye because of now you can just type ama-lyrics waka Tupac and then prefer ukuthi akhulume ngani. You can say ashayi storytelling, set story talking about mom and all the stuff, praising mom. Iyolanda ivoice yakhe injalo. Uzowenza ibheat. Mfethu angazi ukuthi
ngiyayibona leyo.
Kuzozakala ngeskill.
How much years nami ngifuna kufika lapha.
Kuzozakala ngeskill like
kulaba aba-composer. Mina I compose songs bro.
Yeah.
I think as a Afro pop nginabo my 20 ingoma zazo.
Yeah.
Ezinye sasezalahleka. Ethola I sit down and write. Bese kuvela umuntu umfana lo ongakwazi nokucomposer nganix. Avesana athenga idatha athi AI ngiphi ingoma.
Atshele robot
abuye abe ne hit tomorrow. Wena lo crack ikhanda lo ukuthi hayi man the chorus alikho right nalo wave so.
You know
in lokhu usazama kuyi ithathe
yazi ukuthi bakubhala ingoma.
Mfethu
Mina the only thing ngabhala ingoma ezi more than 1,000. Ne. Is because of by then I had to be a head amantombazana nabomalume nabomncane.
Sure.
Marungalale. Enye mawolele kanifela you struggle with it
you construct.
Awuhambe strategy. Now kunamalanga namhlanje nowadays
kunomuntu
ulehele kunomuntu ocompose ingoma le akabambe ne ball pen avela athi with the voice of Tupac. Composed the song about Trump. Izoza.
And izophuma.
Yeah. Ngishaya ibeat erigate nale robot ngoba lechacharaha nala I keep namhlanje buhle and then even yes into sikhuluma sithi I simplify izinto technology abanye bayathi but unfortunately kunabantu abaloyal kwe-art yabo unfortunately bayashawa unfortunately.
Sure.
Uthola ukuthi uSipho Makhabane ublomele ngoma le 2 years I compose bese athi uyayikhipha ku-react abantu abayi-16,000 bese omunye ayithathe ayibeke nje lapha yana ayibeke nje ithi 2 million now ubani kahle ingoma labani sobuza ukuthi
naso kwesikhalo sami lapha esikhona who's the owner now
but now remember ukuthi according to the politics if you have a majority you are the ruler. Isikhundla sakho
ayibona ke lento bafowethu bekumnandi kuba nani. This is Gospel Talk with Buhle Sibanze. Mfethu, what more can we expect from you, bro?
After church, but abantu bangibiziwe la kahle ngibiziwe 2,000 kilometers from ekhaya bangibiza bathi nje siyacela sondele ngokukhona. Now babhizi bayaplan abathini after church.
Kune show ezako khona la
Is a producer wena?
Yeah, I'll be producing it.
You'll be doing everything.
Ngawari.
Uzungakhipha nge-35 rand mina ngakulanda ngepanga ngakulanda nge-butter knife ngakulanda ngebhetri echargiwe lene-acid eningi ngizokutobetha uzulinge mswati wanwana. Mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu but this is not good. Let us keep on praying for our brothers outside there and our sisters outside there who are busy making a living. Bayazama labantu laba bayazama.
What are we expecting from you?
After church, isho after church yes angeke ngikhuluma okuningi
I will
busy bayakhe yimi ke i-host angazi bangifunani bathekimi bathi sondela mfethu uzwenza lento then after that it will gonna be a more and more of topics go after church nokunye okuningi sozwa ngabo abaphathi bona abasiholisa ama-35 rand so thini ngoba bathi babiziwe nabo but mina I'm saying you can't send a sheep to catch a wolves. I think amachita issue yama agreement and all. Remember first time ngibiza uthi Ntwana asenze lento.
Yeah.
First thing was I know ukuthi asinamali awuthamba
Yeah.
Mswati asiyenze kahle mfethu asiyenze ngecontract
Sure.
ekugcineni.
Yeah.
If ngiyakukhabatha uzothi mara isivumelano sethu. If uyangikhabatha isivumelano if
Kufanele uvume.
still so into important ukuvuma and all the stuff. But ekugcineni, you know, when we serve masebenzele uNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Yabona ama errors afana njengalaba ukuthi ubani nokingoma bana kaphathanga kahle. Ayi but itori lezibuhlungu mfethu. And zibuhlungu because of these people you abantu abasikhulisile. If you take a look ukuthi it was inspiring.
Ngisho mina ukuthi
Spirit of praise must check. And ama group ku gospel uthola ukuthi
they are the giants.
those are the giants. Those are the giants.
So my worry lapho ukuthi if that place is no longer a safe place for them, baya kuphi? Should they go to kwaito? Should they go to hip hop? And when basela ukuthi la ku gospel, the meaning gospel nje uyazi ukuthi it's good news.
It's good news.
Yeah, so that means I'm sharing good news to the people.
Yeah.
But nase ngiphuma la kule good
Kube
news.
bad news.
Seyiphenduka bad news for mina. Sengibleed manje ngihamba nencebe lengaka. Ngiya ku kwaito manje or sengiyotshwaleni. I've seen a lot of gospel.
Mara ngitshele ngoba kulimaza. I don't know. Ngoba kulimaza esontweni uya.
Sure.
Awuye ekhaya.
Ekhaya you are back to the world, not ekhaya.
Uzothola sosathabe noqale endlini ngithi athi bangilemazile azama ngiroast kanje yes. Bese
Vela bo speed and
njaya mina
asibangele.
Malimela ngathi bayakwazi nje
Ngathi bakuzwile.
ngathi bakwazi ukuthi uma ngilamanxa uconta igazi yabona uconta igazi khona kulapho kubamba khona lapho la khona uthi yar ne I'm fucked lapho khona uthi I'm fucked. I didn't see it coming. It can be hand. It can be hand. Inappropriate. Kuna le ifika khona. Ntwana nginethunyana ukahlala sibanzi uthi ngiphuze or ngaphuzi ngathi udlalike ngiphuze bese ufika la ithi hey
Mara ngilimele kuyafana yikho le.
ukuyisana ubone ngapho kube mnyama ngapha ngisona kupinki ubone kube mnyama ngapha ubone kube buhle uzoyiminya yezo uzoyiminya hey baba yazi mawuqeda ukuyiminya uzokuyehla you know ngeke ngisho ukuthi baye somewhere else but if that's the case I will say it is not bad to start over.
Nah.
It is not
Yeah,
bad.
I think that's my motto. I think ukwangibona how much do I start over in
Yeah,
life?
ukhathala ulimala.
Oh, you man.
Ukahlala laphayana, wahlala ku one room wasuka, wayo North West wayothunga bakutshontshela indwango nomshini waqala phansi, wabuyele waye eSwatini. Mawufika eSwatini watshela abahapu azange amele kwamina into ezincane ngathi ama oranges ngathi ama Piero bekwama prime abekuyini or mankurnet. Ayi wabuya udangele, wabuya ikhoma zakho zalahleka wawele Santini sangwele Santini manje ngithi uyile seSantini no sesiwethu between Santini and Soweto ngithi mbize ngizosokuthiwa ugijima ngase 3 ngale uhle buya kude uRobinson Spice yomuntu wenye Virginia Robinson Spice.
I'm doing gospel talk guys, so
I believe ukuthi they should nothing wrong ukuqala phansi.
Yeah.
Remember ukuthi once you allow, only the devil will only win when you allow him to win.
Yeah.
That's because no empire was built in one day.
Yeah.
Remember ukuthi maybe it's just a stepping stone. It's a disaster.
Yeah.
Maybe uNkulunkulu kunalaba afuna khona, but I'm saying just to start over. Ne? Ungavumi ukuwela phansi. Mandoza he said that ukuthi Ntwana ungavumi ukuwela phansi. Just what I'm saying ukuthi ningavumi ukuwela phansi.
Ungavumi kuwela phansi ku MK the Pitso.
Yes.
Pitso the calling. Ngathi ke okuningi sesiyakuzwa kulamanye ama shows but siyabe sichubeka mina naye siba nalama shows lawa. Enye engizoyiproducer ilele zako siyibize after church presented by Gospel Tour with Buhle Sibanze. Ngaba ama interviews nje. Zobona, but I won't be in the camera. I'll be behind the cam. Ngibone ukuthi how do I adjust it and fix it. Nazo ke danko ngakho
Kuzoba mnandi.
subscribe
Kuzoba lit, enza njalo, subscriber, enza njalo, share, enza njalo. Hlala unathi. Hlala ubukele into online. Tshela ugogo wakho atshele umalume wakho atshele ubaba omncane ukuthi bebakhona, basazoba khona. Sela ngendaba. Gcwala.
he used to be a kwaito star so uyamezwa tshela umama wakho tshela
Usazopheka la. Ukuthi uyayithanda ngifakela zonke ipayi.
asibonge
Ongathi green tea sizodla ngenkani. Sisonke.
I'm gonna stand against the law. I'm gonna